Campari and Aperol. Big fan of Aperol, not such a big fan of Campari. Aperol is the light version of Campari. It's like Diet Campari with more calories. Why? Because it's got more sugar. It's half the ABV. This is 24%. This is 11%. And it's almost half. People say has some rhubarb notes, sweet bitter grapefruit, burnt citrus, those type of things. And not burnt like it smells like somebody just left the toaster on too long, but like a caramelized flavor. I love it. I like the grapefruit notes it gives me. Works on a lot of cool cocktails. I like to pair it with things like gin and mezcal. Those are a couple of my favorite pairings. Campari, everybody knows this from the Negroni. If you're a hipster, or once were, then you understand where I'm going with this. Campari has a lot of different bite to it. Blood orange, like citrus, like a orange pith, the white part of the orange if you just chew on it. Mint, intense quinine, so if you don't like tonic water, this is gonna hurt you. Apparently a little clove, I don't really get that from there. Orange zest, I can get. Oh, look, it's not even open yet. I got a new one. Oh, it does. It smells very much like orange. This red now says artificially colored in every country except from 1 or 2. If you've ever heard, and it is true, just not anymore, this was once made with a red dye from crushed up cochineal insects. These are like insect scales that you can get off of these insects that grow on prickly pear fruit, apparently, in South America. And yeah, I guess you just pile up the insects. I don't know how you take off their scales and crush them. I'm guessing everything gets crushed because they're insects. But that dye was created using bugs. So if that freaks you out and you're like, I don't know about that, that's fine. Artificially flavored now. So no insects were harmed in the making of this bottle of Campari. So if you're into super high, intense bitter, Campari is going to be your friend. For me, I kind of currently, and I've gotten a lot better with it, I kind of stop near the Jungle Brew. Kind of a tiki cocktail with a little bitter Campari at the end. Not a huge fan of Negronis, only because it's got sweet vermouth in it and it has Campari, 2 of the things I'm not that big of a fan on. Love gin. If you just haven't got to the level of Campari appreciation, start with Aperol and then work your way up or down, however you want to look at it.